Alright, YouTube, we are back again with another review. This is actually going to be an unboxing, and I'll do the review later. This is a portable power bank with extendable charging cable. See right there, I don't know if you can read that, but it's a portable power bank with extending charging cable. Here we're looking at the outside of the box. It is a 20,000 milliamp hour, meaning that's how much capacity it has in it. Meaning it's got 20 amps in it. You can deliver 20 amps for 1 hour. Now looking at the outside of the box, it is a power bank with extendable charging cable. If we're looking to the back, compatible with iPhone /iPad, PSD, portable PlayStation, or portable handheld gaming system, MP3 and MP4 players, digital cameras, any of your tablets or things like that, your GPS, your mobile device, and your Bluetooth devices. Yes, this will charge your mobile phone. If we're looking at the instructions right here, we got capacity 3.7 volts at 20,000 milliamp hours, 74 watt hours, meaning it can provide 74 watts for 1 hour, or 74 watts an hour, I think. Output capacity 5 volts, 1,300 milliamp hours, 65 watt output, pretty decent. AC input, 100 to 240 volts AC at 3 amps, 60 hertz, or 50 hertz if you live in England and other places that don't have the luxury of 60 hertz. Then we got Type-C USB input, 5 volt, 2 amp, or 9 volt, 2 amp. That's 5 volts, 2.5 amps, or 9 volts, 2 amps. Then we got Type-C USB output, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, or 12 volts, 1.5 amps. Now we got USB-A output, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps. And we got built-in micro USB cable output. I don't know. 5 volts, 2.4 amps, or 9 volts, 2 amps, or 12 volts, 1.5 amps. Then we got built-in Type-C cable output, 5 volt, 2.4, 9 volt, 2 amp, 12 volt, 1.5. Built-in lightning cable output, 5 volt, 2.1 amps. Yeah, you heard me. Built-in lightning port cable. Built-in lightning cable. Now, I believe this one is the USB-C and lightning cable. I will link it down in the description if you want to go purchase it yourself or look around on Amazon for similar items. The power level. If it's solid red, you're at 1 to 33%. Blue, you're at 34 to 66. And green, you're at 67 to 100%. Now looking at the side, it just says power bank with extendable charging cable, power bank with extending charging cable. But that's enough of the box. Let's get right into it. Okay, right out of the box, we got this nice, soft, really soft padded case. Well, it's not really padded, but it's a case you could put the power bank in. We'll set that off to the side. We got the instructions. Ooh, we're going to go through this. And we got my favorite, the power bank. Now this is a nifty power bank. Yeah, we'll go through that in a second. I'm going to set it aside, and we're going to go through the instructions. Okay, we already went through the specifications on the back. Operations, power on off. Power on, press button once quickly. Power off, press button twice quickly. Power off automatically, not connected with device. It will take 30 seconds to power off. Please wait for an additional 2 seconds for the next power on after power bank is powered off. You can use plug that's built in, charge the bank from the wall, or use a charging cable to connect it to any of your other devices, like the wall, a solar panel, a battery pack, anything. Charging a device using the built-in charging cable to connect devices, mobile phones, it could recognize device automatically. If it is not charging, please press the power button. Using charging cable adapter A to connect power bank USB port and using charging cable adapter B to connect device, the device could be charged after connecting. If it is not charging, please press the power button. So you can charge the power bank while charging your device. Alright, that's cool. Okay, I think that's pretty much everything that's important in the instructions. Oh, and never leave these out in the sun. Never, never, never. Never leave them out in the sun. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, this one right here. It's got the lightning port adapter. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got something that charges via lightning port that we're going to test. And it has the USB-C adapter. I got one of those too. I got one device for that too. It's got the USB port, it's got the USB-C in, and it's got the indicator. It is blue. And if I remember correctly, blue means 34 to 66%. Alright. One of my favorite features here, though, is the wall adapter. Hang that from your wall, charge it all night. Oh yeah, that'd be nice. Okay, give me one second. Alright, so the device I have that charges on anything, right here. I've not done a review on this battery pack. If you want me to do a review if you want me to do a review on this battery pack, or a real life test on this battery pack, hit the like button. But here it is. This one's really cool. It's got USB-C, micro, and a lightning adapter. So we're going to pull one of these guys out. I'm going to start with the lightning adapter. And if you notice, when I pull on the adapter, it makes this arm strap shorter. Same when I do it with the USB-C. Now we're going to plug in the lightning adapter. And we're going to press the power button. And there we go, we charging up. We charging up another device. Now we're going to try the USB-C adapter. There we go, we charging up. Now let's try my phone. Oh wait, no, I don't have my phone on. Oh wait, yes I do. It's right here. I got my phone right here. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but we charging up. We charging up too. And then one feature that this guy has that I briefly mentioned is you can plug it into the wall, charge the power bank while charging your devices. Heck yeah, that's going to come in handy. Okay, we charging up. I don't know, you guys can see that blinking light, right? Yeah, we charging up, we charging up. Then we take this USB-C cable built into the device. We're going to plug it into my battery pack. We charging up. Heck yeah! We charging both the battery pack and the other battery pack. Twice the power, half the time. That's pretty cool. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. And if you like is hit that like button and hit the subscribe button down beneath. And also ring that bell for notifications. You always get notified. But this is it for the 20,000 milliamp hour power bank with extendable charging cables. I am going to, just so you guys know, I'm going to put the link in the description so you can buy your own if you want one. But again, subscribe, hit the like button if you like the video, and turn the bell on for notifications.